What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another cool episode from Appalachian Lighting Innovations. So we told you guys we had more stuff in store and more videos lined up, and we do. And we are trying to pump them out as fast as we can. But check out this latest install that we just had in our shop. First off, we want to give a big thanks to our customer for bringing this vehicle back to us and allowing us to re-upfit it with some of the newest and greatest technology from Feniex Industries, the Quad Series lights. And I gotta say, folks, these things are absolutely amazing. The more of these we install, the more our customers love them, and they start to go like hotcakes on a Sunday after church. That probably didn't make any sense, but who really cares? Alright, so anyways, this is a 2016 Dodge Ram 2500. So before, we had a couple Feniex TIR3s in the grill, and we had a mesh grill with some aftermarket off-road lighting. After Deer Strike, we had to go back in and rewire everything back up, but this time we went ahead and put 4 Feniex Quad surface mounts in with L brackets, and we tapped everything back into our original wiring that was there in place from the last time that we did the install. And we also set the quad surface mounts up so that they would go to a steady white burn with the light bar underneath of the bumper, which actually really creates a lot of light. And even with the flashing amber and white and red and white, there's quite a bit of light spread there even through the grill. So it actually turned out really well. So if you guys are interested in any of these products or would like to order some of these products, don't forget to check out our Square store. We do have a Square store, so you can go on there and securely check out and purchase what you're interested in. If you don't see something that you're interested in, make sure you give us a call at 301-910-4114, or you can shoot us an email at appalachianlighting@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share the video. Check us out on Facebook. Make sure you like and share the page as well. If you guys have any questions, make sure you contact us. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you on the next episode.